Welcome to this short tutorial about the Invoice Journal report in Standard Accounts. We will show you where in Standard Accounts you can find this report and how to run it to get an overview of your company's invoicing for a given period. This tutorial will describe all the features available in the report. The Invoice Journal report is a very powerful tool, as within moments it will give you an overview of all the invoices issued by your company during a certain period. It is located in the Accounts Receivable module. To find the report, first select the Switch Module button in the Navigation Center to ensure you are in the correct module. Then select the Reports icon in the Navigation Center and choose Invoice Journal from the list. The specification window for the report will open. In the specification window, Standard Accounts will offer a default period. This will be the first period defined in the Reporting Period setting in the System module. You can change this setting from time to time to keep the default period up to date. For this report, you can either enter a different period manually, or you can use Paste Special, Command Enter, to choose a different period. By default, all invoice types, including invoices, cash notes, and credit memos, will be shown in the report. If you wish to see a specific invoice type, such as Invoices Only, then untick the other options under Invoice Type. Also by default, the report will list only okayed invoices, but you can choose to see both okayed and unokayed invoices. You can also sort the invoices by transaction date or by invoice number, whichever option suits best. For our example, let's run the Invoice Journal so that it lists okayed invoices for the whole year, including cash notes and credit memos. As with all reports in Standard Accounts, you can choose to run the report to screen or to paper, to have it opened in Excel, or to save it as a PDF or text file. You can also choose the orientation of the PDF file. If you choose text file or PDF, you will be asked to give a name to the file and save it. For our example, we will print the report to screen. Select the Run button to produce the report. As you can see, the report shows you the invoice number, date, customer, invoice type, amount without tax, and amount including tax of each invoice. The invoice numbers are underlined, meaning you can select them to drill down to each invoice record to get the full story behind the numbers. At the bottom of the report, the total number of invoices will be printed, as well as the total amounts invoiced, both excluding and including tax. Let's go back to the Specify Invoice Journal window by opening the Operations menu and choosing Reopen Report Specification. It is possible to filter the report by customer, allowing you to run the report for a certain customer so that it only lists the invoices issued to that customer. To use either of these options, simply use Paste Special in the appropriate field. For our next example, we will run the report for this customer, only showing okayed invoices for the whole year. This time, we will choose the Detailed option. As you can see, the Detailed option will show the same information as the Overview option that we used in the previous example, but it will also show the customer's address, and the invoice items will be listed individually. Finally, you can filter the Invoice Journal so that it only lists invoices with specific invoice numbers. You can search for a specific invoice number or for a range. For this example, we'll go back to the specification window and manually enter a range for invoice numbers in the invoice number field. We will enter the start of the range, then a colon, and then the end of the range. When we select the Run button, the report will only list the invoices from the specified range. I hope you have enjoyed this short tutorial and that it has helped you to obtain the invoicing information you needed in a fast and easy way. If you have any more questions about this or any other functionality in Standard Accounts, please watch our other tutorials, read the frequently asked questions, or visit the forum on our website, www.standard-accounts.com.